There, guys and gals, good midnight to each every one of you. I'm here now inside in our village, and much to my surprise, the lights are on, but it's not just with the circus itself, but there's a shooting in here, and the star is Matteo Ludicelli. Let me see what I can do about this. If I'm gonna join or not, or what, or whatever. So let's find it out, guys and gals. What's this movie all about? What I heard is it's a Pedro Penduko something. So we'll check it out. As you can see, guys, I thought there's still a game or fun in here, but it's some kind of a shooting.